Mathematics Part 1, Standard 10, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equation. Formula for solving a quadratic equation means to solve quadratic equation by formula method. Ax square, this is the formula. So practice set 2.4, compare the given quadratic equation to general form and write the values of a, b, c. First example, x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. First example, here x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. The general format of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 5. In second example, 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. तर यांना इकडे डावीकडे घ्यायचं आहे. 2m स्क्वेअर मायनस 5m प्लसचा मायनस होईल, मायनसचा प्लस 5 होईल, इज इक्वल टू 0. कंपेअरिंग ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. सो here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 5. Third example, y square is equal to 7y. Y square 7y goes to a left hand side, minus 7y. Constant term not given, so this is 0, is equal to 0. Comparing a square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. So a is equal to not coefficient given, so this is 1. b is minus 7 and c is equal to 0. In this way we calculate the value of a, b, c. Practice set 2.4, question number 2. Solve using formula method ने अपन हे सॉल्व करायचं आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Example, here a is equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to 5. So we calculate b square minus 4ac. b is 6 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 5. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 1s are 4, 5s are 20. We get subtractions. 36 minus 20 is 16. So value of b square minus 4ac means delta पण म्हणू शकतो याला. But his formula is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b is equal to minus 6 plus minus root 16 is value of b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a is equal to 1. So minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2 1s are 2. Here is x minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Here is minus 6 मधून 4 गेले, 2 minus 2. Larger number is negative, so negative. Here is minus 1. Or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. So minus 1 and minus 5 are the solution of this equation. किंवा here minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of equation. या इक्वेशनचे काय ते रूट्स आहेत. अशा पद्धतीने आपण सोडू शकतो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Compare to general form of quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 2. Here is minus. So b square minus 4ac minus 3 square minus 4a is 1 and b is minus 2. So minus 3 square is 9, minus minus plus 4 2 जा 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. Here 9 plus 8 is 17. So b square minus 4ac value is 17. Here is formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon twice c. Here b is given minus n minus 3 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 17 upon 2 into a is 1. So minus minus plus 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2a. Here is x. So x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2 into 1, 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the solution. हे solution आले. Question number 4, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Comparing the standard form of quadratic equation. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 7. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 2 square minus 4a is 3, c is minus 7. 2 square is 4, minus minus plus 4 3 जा 12, 12 7 जा 84. 7 21, 21 चौक 84. किती आलं मग 88. is the value of delta or b square minus 4ac. So formula is given. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Here is variable use m, so here is not x, तो m लिहायचं x ऐवजी. is minus b minus 2 plus minus root 88 upon 2 into a is 3. So m is equal to minus 2 plus minus 88 ची 4 होत नाही, 22 22 चौक 88 होते आणि 2 into 3 6 किंवा 2 into 3. So minus 2 plus minus 4 square root 2, 22 upon 2 into 3. Here minus 2 common, minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 2 into 3 means 2 to cancel. So we get minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. So m is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 और एकदा बेरीज एकदा वजाबाकी घ्यायची. m is equal to minus 1 minus 22 upon 3 अशा पद्धतीने याचे उकल काढायची. आर द सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Here compare the standard form. A equal to 5, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 2. So b square minus 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. minus 4 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 2. 4 square is 16, minus minus plus 4 पंचे 20, 20 दुने 40, 5 2 10, 10 चौक 40, 4 चा वर्ग 16. किती झाले मग 6 आणि 5 इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली 56. आता m इज इक्वल टू, because variable use m, so m minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Here minus b is minus minus 4 plus minus 56 upon 2 into 5. 4 plus minus 56 14 6 जा 4 जा 14 चौक 56 होतात. 14 4 जा 56 upon 2 into 5 10. Here 4 plus minus 2 root 14 upon 10. So take common 2. 2 plus minus 14 upon 10. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10. So 2 plus minus 14 upon 5 is the value of m. So m is equal to, first value is plus 2 plus 14 upon 5 or m is equal to 2 minus 14 upon 5 are the solution of this equation. Fifth example, y square plus 1 upon y equal to 2 is not general format. So y square 1 upon y plus minus minus 2 equal to 0. Here coefficient of y square is 1, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 3, c is equal to minus 2. b square minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 3 square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 2. So 1 upon 9 minus minus plus 4 1 जा 4 into 2 8. Cross multiplication here 1 1 जा 1, 9 8 जा 72 upon 9 means 73 upon 9 is the value of b square minus 4ac. So y is equal to formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 1 by 3 plus minus root 73 by 9 upon 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 plus minus is 1 upon 3 is common. So 9 square root is 3 root 73. 1 upon 3 is common, minus 1 plus minus root 73. Here 3 is multiply, so goes to 3. Minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 6. So y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon x are the solution. In 6th example, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. b square minus 4ac equal to 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. 13 square is 169, 4 into 5 20, 20 into 8 160. So subtraction is 9. So value of b square minus 4ac gives 9. So formula use x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b is minus 13 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 9, 2 into 5. So minus 13 plus minus 3 upon 10. Here x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. Here is minus 10 upon 10, goes value of minus 1. So minus 13 minus 3 is minus 16. So 2 6 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10. So minus 8 by 5 are the solutions. Write with the help of flowchart given below x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 using the formula. Compare. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to 3. Find value. याची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आणि मग सॉल्व करायचं. In question number 3, here is the quadratic equation. Here compare a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to 3. So we find the value of b square minus 4ac. 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a into c, 3. So 2 square is 4 into 3 minus 12. Here 12 minus 12 is 0. So value of delta or b square minus 4ac is 0. So we take the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 2 root 3 plus minus root 0 upon 2 into a is 1. So x is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus minus is 0 is 2. So x is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus 0 is 0, not is plus is minus 2 root 3, 2 to cancel. Here x is a value of root minus 3, minus root 3.